Not very hard. Take the side cover off. Oh, I can't hold the phone here at the same time. Well, take the side cover off. Take this ring out from behind there. Here's your starter clutch. Comes off. Oops. There's a spring and a retainer, a spring retainer right there. Goes on this side. Make sure all your clutch pads are still there. Sometimes these little pucks will come off. So, without that on there, there's a spring right there. Goes in that little retainer. According to the instructions, you're supposed to drill a hole right there. And with a punch, knock this bearing out. Which I have a little flat spot here. And I'm hoping, see the little flat spot?
Hi, how are you?
Hoping that takes care of the situation and it'll hopefully stop squealing.
Gotcha.
So, installation is the opposite of taking it apart. I'll make another video for that when I go to put it back together.